Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our April regular Stamp of the Month Club reveal. Wow, it's so hard to keep up. I cannot get over how fast the months are going. It's already April, you guys. This set has been super requested, even by our very own design team. We had Kim on our design team message me and said, I really want this set. I want one that you're going to make, and I want to see what you do with it. So this is it. And for those of you in the club, you're going to love it. It's already on its way to you. If you are not in the club and you would like to purchase this set, you certainly can. We'll have it in the store this afternoon for you to pick up. There'll be a link in the description for you. And without further ado, here it is. It is called Happy Snail Mail. Now, it is called Happy Snail Mail because there is a snail. It is happy. I wanted to put all the words on there. And we also used to have a set called Happy Mail, but this one is Happy Snail Mail. So check it out. This set is for you to decorate your envelopes with. Now, it doesn't just have to be for decorating your envelopes because are you kidding me? Look at this snail with the rocket ship. He has a rocket shell. That's what we'll say, a rocket shell. He is so cute. And then this one is on a scooter. Are you kidding me? They're fresh. And then you get words like snail mail, air mail, happy mail, hugs, love, smiles, filled with Snail Mail Express and Please Deliver To. Now, Snail Mail Express and Please Deliver To both fit inside the little banner here that can come from behind this guy or this guy. And then the filled with goes with smiles, love, and hugs. Not to mention you got these 3 lines, which are so cute. I know you want to see samples. Let me show you. These are fresh. So Shannon did one that's super simple. She said, I want to do one that's just simple to show you how you can use it for every day. Isn't that precious? And look, she's sending a card to me. We're not going very far, are we? Right there. But she did Please Deliver To, and then she did Happy Mail, just a simple one, and nothing on the back of this one. I have to look on her. She did 2 this week. She did 2 samples. Look at this one she did. Are you kidding me? So this one is to Amber from Shannon, and look, the little snail on the scooter, Please Deliver To, and it's snail mail. And then on the back it says filled with hugs. I love that. And then mine only did 1, but I did this big long one. I thought it was cute. And look, this one's from me to Vinny, right? And look at this snail. I wanted to give his shell kind of like a tie-dye look, kind of. So he has a little tie-dye shell, and then he's got flames coming out, and it says Snail Mail Express, air mail, and then it's got the little road. Now, a tip for you guys, don't use airmail if you're not sending airmail. It matters, okay? I add airmail to these sets because my friends in other countries, like the UK and things like in Europe, they can use that whenever they're sending things to different countries and to the States. So airmail is really handy for them. So if you're in the States and you're just sending, look, states to states, don't use airmail. Maybe put snail mail or happy mail or something like that. So this one is mine. Let's go back to our samples. Here is Shannon's, and here is our simple, easy one. Now listen, you're going to get so much use out of this set. This is going to be one you keep handy because every one of your envelopes is going to be fresh. Even if you use these guys, and other images from your collection. Won't it be cute to be able to dress up all of your envelopes? So I want to say thank you to those who requested it, including Kim, because Kim was one of the ones that made me go, you know what, you're right, we need that. So I want to say thanks to those who requested this set, and be sure to pick up yours, even if you're not in the club. If you want to join the club, now's the time. Anytime's the time, actually. It's only $11.99 a month if you're in the U.S., $13.49 if you're outside of the U.S., and that includes your shipping. Like, it's literally $11.99 and $13.49, and we cover the shipping. So if you'd like to get involved and get a new stamp set every month, go right ahead. Also, every month we do a giveaway. So when you are decorating your envelopes, share photos of them over on our customer gallery and enter our $50 gift card giveaway. Now, I will ask that you don't show your addresses in those pictures. Make sure you keep those to yourself. Maybe snap a picture before you fill them in so that we're not sharing people's addresses. Last month's winner will be listed in the description below. Thanks so much, guys, for being a part of our club. These are so fun to come up with new and different things for you guys all the time. And I thought this one was just super, super cute. So have a wonderful day. Happy making of snail mail and happy mail. And until next time, bye now.